Bam! It's the funnel man, Robert Phillips. How you guys doing today? I hope everything's going good. What I am going to show you today is inside of Clickfunnels 2.0, and it's super exciting. I'm going to show you how to actually scroll to different sections. And there are a lot of people who already know how to do this, but there are a lot of people who really don't know how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little piece of code and we're going to put it inside of Clickfunnels 2.0. And then when you click a link or you click an image and you want to scroll somewhere on your screen inside your funnel or your website, when you click that, it's going to immediately scroll down to the section that you want your visitors to take a look at. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. Let me share my screen here. This is my portfolio. And, I'm very proud of my portfolio. I took quite a while to, build it and maintain it and make sure that it looks good. And I love it. And that's really all that matters. My clients and my customers and people who visit me, they also love it. So let me show you exactly what we're talking about here, okay? So I just scrolled through the entire portfolio. Now, we were talking about scrolling to sections, and it's so important, okay? So what we're going to do is, if you notice these different links that I have up here, and so if you click here on recent testimonials, bam, immediately you go to recent testimonials. And that's what we want, right? What if a person actually took all the time to scroll down here, okay? And then finally, they make it to your testimonials. And so, you have them intrigued. They want to know more. They click on a couple of testimonials. They scroll a little bit further down. They keep scrolling. They see some of your work. They keep scrolling. They look at what's included here, and then they come on down here. They notice there's a calendar here. And so they keep scrolling. They look at your credentials. And so they scroll all the way up again. And they really don't want to scroll all the way back down again. They just were at the end of the page anyway. So what you do is you make the sections scrollable. Okay, not sure if that's a word, but anyway, we can go here. Let's say, okay, we just talked about the scheduler. So at first it was recent testimonials. You click on that. Bam. Okay, you go straight there. Okay, now let's say if they scroll all the way back to the top and they say, you know what, I kind of like the funnel man here. His stuff looks really good. Where was that scheduler? Well, all they have to do is come right here and click on the link that I have. And bam, they can come here and they can schedule, okay? Pretty cool stuff, I know it is, okay? So let's do this. Let's hang on one second. Let's come back over here. And what we're gonna do now is go here to ClickFunnels. Now that we're at ClickFunnels, let's go ahead and let me get back over to ClickFunnels. Hope you can see that now. Here's ClickFunnels, okay? And so here I am inside of the editor in ClickFunnels 2.0, okay? Awesome editor. You just kind of have to get used to it. So what we're going to do here, so it doesn't take up too much time, is instead of redoing everything, I'm just going to make a clone of this right here, okay? Just going to clone it, and right here I'm just going to, let's go ahead and name this. Well, first let's scroll down here and let's find a section to scroll to. Okay, how about why don't we scroll to, how about right here? If somebody wants to see what's included when you work with the funnel man. So let's do this. Let's go inside of this section. Okay, so you go here to the green. Remember, inside of ClickFunnels, even 1.0 and 2.0, you go over here and green is the section, blue is your rows, and orange is the elements. So we're going to go to section and we're going to go here to code. Remember, I was telling you that I'm going to give you a little piece of CSS code, which is really, all I'm going to do is just type a name in there. And so you're going to click on the code because this is the section that you want to scroll to. So you go here to code. Okay, and then the code comes up, and look there, it's already actually in there. So, you can name this anything you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at what's included. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to name it whatever you want to. Just keep in mind that when you do this, you need it to be lowercase and either use a hyphen or don't use a hyphen, but there can't be any spaces, okay? So once you do that, okay, then you're going to come down here to title and you're going to name it whatever you want to. What's included, that's a fantastic name because, it'll tell me exactly where I need to go, what section to go to. And so what you'll do is you'll copy this piece right here. You'll copy that, and then you're going to come all the way back up here. Okay, you're going to copy that, and let's go ahead and we can click on the X here, come out of there. And now we have this. So let's name this just briefly. Let's say that this is going to be our what's included. So what's included. What's included? And so right here, that little piece that I copied, we're going to paste it right here. Okay, and so now, okay, this little thing right here lets the link open in a new window. We don't want it to open in a new window. We want it to open in this window. So what we'll do is we will just not do anything to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and come out of there. Okay, and then let's go over here and click save. Now what we're going to do is let's go here and let's click preview. Well, first let's go here and let's open that all the way. And then let's click preview and let's go to live page up here. Now we also need to refresh because if you notice, it's not showing up underneath this. So we will refresh the page. Okay, now you see it there. So now if we did everything right, when I click this, it should go to the section what's included. So you ready? All right, let's go. Bam. Isn't that cool? Okay, came right to what's included. And I mean, I just love it because it reacts very quickly. So when people come up here, they're looking at your page, bam, what's included. Well, hey, I've got links all over the place. What about if they want to check out some funnel wireframes? Okay, they just click here. There's your wireframes, okay? Maybe they watched one testimonial, but they decided they want to look at a few more testimonials. So they just come up here. Bam, they don't have to scroll. It's all right here. So let me come out of this, okay, and come back here. All right. Okay, so, I really hope that you got something out of this. I really, really do. And because you watched this all the way through, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a free gift. And that gift is going to be my AI guide that I created. Okay, for all my followers and everything. So I'm going to give you the free AI guide that I created. Here it is right here. If you'll just take a look at it. It's my free AI guide and it's in the description. Also, if you don't have a Clickfunnels account and you would like to get started with Clickfunnels, everything is in the description. Also, one more huge announcement, okay? And that is very soon I'll be opening up a brand new funnel building membership site for free. It's also down there. If you want to get in on the early bird, then just click the link and go ahead and sign up for the early bird. That way you'll know before anybody else does about the free funnel building membership that I'm creating. So I hope that'll work for you. Please give me a share, like, hit that notification bell because I'm going to be putting out some awesome freaking content coming up real soon, okay? I mean, I'm just now getting my channel started, okay? I've kind of been messing around in the background, not really doing a whole lot of social media, but I'm ready to rock and roll. Are you? Talk to you later. Goodbye.